Okay, I don't know if I'm even in shot here. Let's sit. Okay, I'll sit and I'll talk to you. Okay. So my mom's birthday is, I believe it's currently the 11th of July. My mom's birthday is the 16th. And like the incredible son that I am, I failed to get a present for her yet. And I had an idea last night about trying to make a wooden cutting board for her. And currently the only wood I own is this. So it'd be like a checkerboard type pattern. I don't even know if this is gonna work. But we're gonna see, we're gonna try. I've got a little jig here. I wish I could tell you what it was called, but I don't know. So we're gonna first square off the end, then I'm gonna measure distances. I'm thinking probably 2.5 centimeters. I'll see how that works, and I'm gonna cut them into pieces and see if I can put it together so that it resembles something of a chopping board. I have no idea if this is going to work. I hope the audio is picking this up. If it's not, I'm going to have so much fun when editing this, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, it definitely needs to get cleaned up, but this is first piece done. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know. This is just like adventure. I don't even know if I'm in shot. I'm gonna rotate this a bit. Okay, these cuts aren't even. This is great. Luckily, okay, problem is like we don't have any type of like, I don't know, mechanical saws. I can't even think of the names right now. This is atrocious. But I know that we have different types of sanders. So we've got like a belt sander. So I say we, it's my dad's, but you know, I don't bother him enough. Hopefully he'll let me use it. So yeah. Okay, so 4 pieces in. I'm sure you could see it. I don't know. This will probably end up looking absolutely shit anyway. But like this kind of vibe. I don't know. This might be absolutely rubbish. I don't know how many pieces I'm gonna cut. Okay, and don't question my fashion sense. I don't have any, so that's why I've got a beanie and shorts on. I wanted to wear a beanie. And I wanted to wear shorts, so you know, here we are. I probably should have measured this beforehand to calculate how many pieces I could possibly get and the sizes I could expect. I mean, I'm sure it'll be enough looking at it like based off the how many pieces I've gotten so far, but you can see there's a lot of planning has gone into this. Definitely a lot of planning. in the end, I've got 57 pieces, so we could do like a 7x8 block board. I don't know. We could also do what would that be? A 9x6, which could work a bit better. There's a very good chance that this won't be big enough, and I'm worried about that. But we'll see. On to the next stage. Okay, so we have the mock assembly here. I mean, obviously, once it's all glued together, it'd be sanded down. But I mean, I have by no means have big hands, so this is definitely not enough. I am slightly regretting making them that the pieces that long and therefore the board that thick, because just my mental maths might be horribly wrong. But even if I were to do them as 3 centimeter pieces instead of 4 centimeter pieces, I'd have got 76 pieces instead of 57. So this isn't exactly ideal, but maybe what it'll give me an opportunity to do is, okay, hopefully the same diameter or same size pieces, but get darker pieces so that I could do more of a checkerboard pattern rather than having to try and rely on putting these at kind of like alternating angles so that you can actually notice that it's not one block. But yeah, so not ideal, but there's a workaround. Okay, so I had a bit of a recording problem. Not even sure if I'm going to put this in with the time lapse, but if there's a change in quality, so I've just done a new thing. Let's see if this will work. These cuts aren't straight. That's concerning. Okay, so for now at least all the cutting's done. We're just gonna see what sort of pattern we can create with the smaller pieces, so fun. If this isn't enough wood, I might cry. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I don't know if you'll see this video. So nice. We always love some positivity. I'm gonna get a vacuum cleaner. Okay, now that minimal cleaning has been done, I'm really not sure how I'm gonna start this because I'm not sure what the dimensions are yet, and I don't exactly know what I want them to be. One thing that might be a bit of a problem is the large pieces are slightly larger than 2 of the small ones. Luckily they line up side on, but I don't know what problems that will create. I guess if I layer it up well enough, you won't really see it. Okay, so this is the idea, kind of. We'll see how it goes. Really hope this is picking up the audio. I haven't listened to any of these recordings, so if it isn't picking up the audio, I'm gonna look like a crazy person. I'm suddenly a bit concerned that I won't hit all the small pieces, but I guess then I'll just kind of line outside with the big pieces, or then cut these ones in half. I don't know. This isn't a very big chopping board, guys. Let me go get a knife. Also got one of our more medium-sized chopping boards. You know what? That's not bad. That's not bad. My take that, I'm suddenly not super unhappy with it. All I'll need to do is cut. I want to use this piece for part of the clamping because we don't have a lot of spare wood lying around. I'm not sure if you could tell. I know it's. I'm gonna go put this back. Okay, so I'm going to not cut this because we don't have a lot of spare wood. We've got a small plank type piece upstairs from something my dad did. So I don't exactly want to dismantle the trebuchet. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take these 3 pieces. I'm gonna cut them in half. Okay, so here's the other piece of wood. You can see like it was used for, I think like backing when stuff was being nailed, screwed. I don't know. And yeah, so this side is fine. I'm not sure which side I would put against it. Probably the smooth side, but wood. Okay, so it says that I need to apply it with a brush, a sponge, or a spray gun. So I'm gonna go look what we have. I reckon I'm going to only stain the smaller pieces. I think with the more variation in the pattern that you'll see, the grain, I reckon that could actually end up looking nicer if it's darker and stained. And then I need to wait 30 minutes before each coat. It says 1 to 3 coats. I'll do 2. And then it says it cures within 12 hours. Cures completely within 12 hours. So I'll probably glue it up there. I'm gonna go look for a sponge of sorts that won't be used for food. Got a sponge. This is one that would be used for cleaning dishes, I guess. Supposed to replace it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna go about doing this. So I'll probably use one of these pieces just to test what I think I should do. So yeah, I'm also gonna go get some nitrile gloves as well, because this stuff shouldn't be a problem, but I also don't want to stain my hands if possible, because I also feel that would kind of give away that I don't know, I'm gonna do it. I'm just finding reasons to justify it at this point. Also, I don't want to stain my clothes, so I'm wearing a white lab coat to cover up. That's clear, isn't it? Oh, we've got the gloves as well. Where did I put the gloves? I broke the gloves. My gosh. just in case these weren't easy enough to put on beforehand, I've made it easier for myself. As you can see, a lot of planning goes into every step of this. I'm very well organized, so that definitely helps. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with gluing. Better work. Okay, so we got the pieces here. This is the look we're going for. As you can see, they definitely need to be cleaned up. If any of the pieces come off, I might cry. But at least I'm recording, so it'll make for some funny stuff. Okay. Well, there goes the stain. It's just gonna be one color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose all the color. Oh my god. Now, at the end of all of it, I can happily say we've got the reveal of the final product.